No, hindi po yan vlogging. Gutong, vlogging. Vlogging. Hindi Mamaya I'll explain later what vlogging means, okay? Because it's a combination of two amazing words. And I'd like everybody to please clap your hands. This is the first vlogging in the Philippines. So, hindi ko na i-welcome yung everybody kasi everybody's here already, okay? So, I'd like to pass the microphone to Miss Colleen again! Woo! Okay.
Ganun dapat ang energy natin until the run. Okay, so with that being said, thank you so much, Dr. Jem. And now moving forward, we would like to introduce to you our major event partner for this event. Of course, in collaboration with them, we are creating a more meaningful celebration and activity, and proceeds from this initiative. And this initiative will go to this organization to support the education, nutrition, healthcare, and local livelihood of the people from the coastal communities. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to give a big, big hand. Joining us this afternoon is the Director of IMMICA Philippines, Ms. Isabel Gamati.
Hello everyone. I'm so honored to be present this afternoon with the media. And this is a very, very important time for us to share with our audience awareness of this movement. And of course, we have people or our audience coming from different coastal areas which we are supporting, and this media launch has actually created an impact in their lives already because of the support of ACG for Plug the Planet. We're already creating that noise that this is going to be a meaningful and productive engagement. And again, thank you for the opportunity of sharing this important media launch this afternoon. Thank you.
We are going to learn today what the meaning of blogging is. I believe she has a presentation for us, and this may be relatively new for some of you who are here today. So let's hear more about what is blogging. May we welcome back up here in front, Dr. Jem Leon Zabala.
Good morning! Okay, let's wait for the queuing of my slides. Okay, so what really inspired us are two things, no? Meaning, plugging are the combination of two, I said, amazing words. To plug, no? It's a Swedish term, so hello, Sweden, no? I've been trained on sustainability in Sweden in 2019, and I really, really am into this, no? When you say plucking, to plug is to get. Everybody knows to plug, no? To plug is to get trash, no? So medyo hype up ngayon sa Europe yung tinatawag nating plugging. So they combined it into plucking and jogging. So habang we are jogging, oops, may basura, I'll pick it up, no? Oops, may basura, I'll pick it up. Why is it very important to do that, no? Because sometimes our awareness is very little, no? We don't care about the environment. We don't care about, that's not my trash. If we have that kind of attitude, then we are not aware of the impact that we are creating, or we will create furthermore to your children, to your children's children. Who can still remember, about 2 weeks ago, we had multi-typhoon, multi-storm that hit the Philippines? Who still remembers? Yes. What was hyped up in this typhoon, especially in Manila? Huh? Again? I didn't hear it. Basura, trash, garbage, and it's all there in the streets of Manila. Sorry to say this, kailangan so upfront, shame on us. Really shame on us. Since 2019, and I'm going to take this personally, after going back from Sweden, after being trained through Netherlands, sabi ko sa inyo, di ako nagtatapon ng plastic. I don't. I segregate religiously, and I'm talking of myself, and I've been teaching and teaching and teaching people to do it. And when I say I don't throw plastics, whatever I use, for example, I go into a restaurant, tapos kumain ako, sometimes they give, plastic fork, whatever. I keep it. I wash it. Tapos sabi niya, ma'am, saan niyo nilalagay? Doon, dito niyo yung founder ng Trash to Cash Back is here. And we're very proud of that. So we complete the circular economy by saying, where are we going to put our trash, Miss Jem? If we're going to segregate, we have trash to cash back. Mama, teka muna, trash to cash back? Yung cash back ba yan? We basically put all our clean, segregated items, no? Endorse it to trash to cash back, they give us groceries. And in the office, what we do, di ba Jess, no? Jess is my assistant, no? We exchange it with 100% recycled paper. Half of our materials are made of recycled paper. So we walk the talk. Hindi lang kami blah, 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 about sustainability. No. We walk sustainable. Ngayon, we don't stop it. Ngayon ako feeling runner din. Kaya lang pag tumingin ako sa mga runners, parang papayat nila, no? Sabi ko, parang ako yung pinakamatabang runner yata, no? So, it's part of my idea, like way back, like 2019, after going from Sweden, getting trained in Netherlands, sabi ko, parang gusto ko yung pick-up trash run. And then here comes Ayantika approaching us saying, hey, let's do this together because there's a very good cause. And the very good cause is, hindi lang kami, we didn't even just stop working on this on Sustainability Summit. May Sustainability Summit kami, 6 Sustainability Summit. But we're basically connecting this with the runners. Because we are a lot. Take note, sinasama ko rin sa sarili ko. Feeling runner na rin ako eh. Weekend of 14K ako sakit nga ng hika ako. So, ibig sabihin, if we have the massive people who's running here and there, why can't we just pick up the trash up here? I ran in Cebu like 2 months ago. Alam mo, yan ako sa sarili ko. Gusto mag-beat yung time ko. Hindi ako makapick up na isang boting plastic man lang. Di ba shame on us, no? Why? Because a lot of people, and please admit it, we are nonchalant because it's not our trash. Isn't it? It's not our trash. The point is, marami pa tayong mga feeling social. Ay, ang dumi, ay, ang dirty. But I pick up. I pick up my own trash. I pick up the trash. Why? In the beach, I pick up the trash. Why? The beach, the streets, the places we're in are all part of the same home, the same planet where we are in. Am I right or am I right? Yes. Right. So if you have kids, if you have apo, if you have pamangkin, if you have your blood relatives who are this small, imagine the kind of planet you are giving them. Because humanity is basically selfish and greedy. And we are not aware that because of this behavior, we are basically not giving a chance to the future generations. Now, it is through this manner, it is through this way that we are begging people. A lot of people were asking in our in our messenger, in the Planet Philippines, no? That's our page. Ma'am, may t-shirt po ba? Ma'am, may medal ba? Ma'am, may perks ba? Yeah, definitely. T-shirt, medal, we don't have here, no? We have a sample here. But at the end of my message, the first thing that I'd like everybody to really think about is not what you can give, not what you can have, but what you can give. Because this is not for us, it's the future generation, especially for the selected islands of the Philippines. Makita niyo yung living condition ng mga badyaw, ng mga bata, walang alam, dun sa sa dagat. And the same sea, the same body of water that we have in the Philippines. Where our fishes come from. The same fish that you eat, that I eat. Which is what now? If we cannot make people understand where we are coming from, then I don't know the future of the Philippines and the planet. So this is really a cry for help. So, correction lang, hindi po ito fun run na may mga, competition. No, it's not. This is really a fun run for the benefit, yes. This is an advocacy. No? This is a mission. This is a mission. Kasi kung hindi tayo magiging aware of, the impact that the trash is actually creating to our planet, to our country, then I think we're missing out something. This is not a competitive running. No. Kaya wala kaming tama ba? Nasa si Miss Nix. Miss Nix, wala tayo, di ba ito yung time mo, ito yung best time mo, wala kaming ganon. Because the medals and the t-shirts that you will receive, ang magbe-benefit, hindi lang Ayamika. You are going to be given a certificate of Mangrove Matters Philippines. Alam niyo ba kung anong mangrove? Ang mangrove are natural barriers of the seas. You should not remove it. That's number one. Number two, mangroves are places where the eggs of the fishes are. Walang mangroves, no baby fishes. No baby fishes, no huge fishes. Which means what? We will all be hungry. Am I right or am I right? Parang wala kayong choice, no? No? Yeah. And mind you guys, if you do the plugging with us, no, we will not just help Ayamika, Mangrove Philippines, but we will help ourselves become more educated. That please, do not throw plastics. Mamaya po, we have actually our speakers here, our partners, no, from Ayamika. You met also Miss Isabel. Help Alliance, no? Help Alliance is the non-profit organization of Lufthansa. Everybody, we will be given a free airplane ticket. Joke lang. Joke lang po. And of course, our partners from PSTD, no? Philippine Society for Talent Development. So, nandito po sila. And definitely, the founder of Trash to Cashback. Talaga hindi na ko po sila dito, no? I don't like me to just speak about this. Because this is a movement we are creating. If all of you here promises me after today, you are not going to throw plastics, I will love you forever and ever. Amen.
Show the proof every day.
Cashback will explain that later. Because we have also an eco-marathon. Yeah, definitely. Si Sir na lang magsasalita later. Yeah. One of the very, very important message that I need you guys to know is this. Plastics do not decay in 500 years. Bawal ang plastic. Ano to ng people No. The real plastic. In every 100 kilometers, we're actually breathing about 20 to 25 grams of microplastics. Do you know about GPGP? Bibigay kami ng libreng t-shirt. Ano ang GPGP? Sir June, huwag kami ingay ha. What is GPGP? Wala. GPGP is Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Do you know where the Philippines stand in GPGP? Number 3! Yay!
Sabihin makalat tayo.
Top 3! Contributor! Of course, globally. Ouch! No? Great Pacific
Wow,
Garbage
she-
Patch. Among Asians, who's number one? Philippines! Woo! Shame on us. Really. If you're not aware, this is our part, our micro effort to basically inform people, inform LGUs, inform everyone however we can. Bawal talaga ang plastic. Totoo lang. Kasi it won't decay eh. Once yun lang yung alam mo, it won't decay, then what are we going to do with it? Na doon ang sagot ng trash to cash. I really segregate at home. Iba't iba yan. Iba't ibang plastics. 1 to 7 ang grade yan. But it's awareness. Awareness is number 1. Number 2 is acceptance that we have a problem in the Philippines. And what is the main problem? The main problem in the Philippines is our behavior, our attitude. We really lack discipline. Number 3 problem in the Philippines, we don't love our country enough. We're so engaged with Netherlands and Denmark and Sweden. How come they have all the rules? In Singapore, doon na lang ako titira. When you go to other countries, you will follow the rules. How come in your own country you don't follow the rules? Am I right? Am I right?
Right.
Exactly. You go to Hong Kong, you make Hong Kong clean. You go to Singapore. Sorry, ito angle ko ah.
Bawal magdura.
Bawal magdura in Singapore. Bawal mag-bubble gum in Singapore. Why can you make Singapore clean and not the Philippines? I don't understand that. You know why? Because of our discipline. Our discipline is like this. And very good answer, ma'am, because of the leaders. In this room, all of you are leaders. All of us are leaders. So it's not just about who the president is right now or who is that. No. You have the choice to make our country great. All of you, all of you, all of us. That's why I'm not engaged with other countries because I'm doing my job. I'm doing my role as a Filipino. Trash to Cash Back can attest to it that since 2022, I have been segregating. My son knows how to segregate. My ate Tess knows how to segregate. She gets all the grocery, by the way. Hindi ako. No? But it's nice, di ba? Palit basura, grocery, abay, magtatapon na ako ng basura sa Trash to Cash Back. Isn't it? And that's the main plugging system that we're going to have. On September 28, yung mga 10K runners, 4 o'clock, doon na tayo ha. Okay? 10 o'clock, 10K, 4 o'clock. Mamaya si Miss Nika ang magsasabi ng iba't ibang timing, special details. But on September 28, that's about a month and a half to go, please be ready to do the plugging. Okay, maganda ang sinabi ng Trash to Cash Back na maybe pagdating nga naman ng yung 1 kilometer, gusto yung basura. Walang problema, i-extend natin yan. May eco-marathon tayong gagawin so that we can focus on running. Okay? Is that okay? Yes. And the catch is here. Ito yung pinakamagandang parte. If you purchase or register with the plug or plugging, no? Libre na yung ticket nyo sa October 1 ng 6th International Sustainability Summit. Take note, 6 na po yun. And we've been doing this not for anything else, but to make people aware, especially the children, especially the people in high school, elementary, college, because they're the future. Am I right or am I right? Iyak na ba kayo? Diba? But we'll make it fun. I don't like to focus on the problem. I like to focus on the solution. And you will be part of the solution. We will be part of the solution. Is that okay?
Yes.
Can I count on you guys?
Yes.
Alam niyo, no? Can I count you guys? Yes! Okay, so sabihin nyo nga, i-repeat after niya. Plug the Planet Parade 2025. One more. Plug the Planet